Most relationships do not end because love disappears. They end because respect quietly fades. First, when a man starts feeling disrespected, dismissed, criticized, or unseen, his heart does not explode in anger. It shuts down, and that is when the love you thought was strong begins to slip away. Respect matters more than love for many men. Respect equals emotional safe type. Does not just want admiration. He wants to feel valued for who he is and what he contributes. When that respect disappears, his identity feels threatened. He will not always argue about it. He will distance himself. That emotional distance is how love slowly fades. Men fall in love with women who make them feel respected. They fall out of love with women who make them feel small. Ways women announcing glycistest. Mainoni correcting or contradicting him publicly, comparing him to other men. Why cannot you be more like 3? Using sarcasm when he is vulnerable, questioning his intentions instead of his actions. 5. Making jokes about his failures. Most of these are not meant to hurt, but for men, they register as rejection. The male response: withdrawal, not explosion. When women feel unloved, they usually express it verbally. When men feel disrespected, they often go silent. Silence is not indifference. It is self-protection. Starts to disengage emotionally, stops sharing his thoughts, and becomes less affectionate. It is not because he stopped caring. It is because he is protecting what is left of his self-worth. Respect, not submission. It is emotional validation. Respect does not mean agree with everything. It means communicating disagreement without devaluing the person. Example: you never listen. I feel unheard when we talk. Can we try again? Respect is about tone, timing, and intent, not power. How to rebuild respect and reignite love. Acknowledge, do not defend. I see how that hurt you. Show appreciation. Small recognition means huge impact. 3. Ask for input. Let him feel trusted again. 4. Speak to the man, not the mistake. 5. Apologize with sincerity, not conditions. When respect returns, love remembers its reason for staying. What men need to hear, but rarely do. Respect how hard you are trying. I trust your judgment. I'm proud of how you handled that. Words like these restore emotional confidence faster than any physical affection, because to a man, respect is romance. Every man has a breaking point, but it is not when he stops loving. It is when he stops feeling respected. You want love to last. Speak respect fluently. Cause once a man feels small, love cannot grow. Tell if this message resonated. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more insights on emotional intelligence, love psychology, and building relationships that last as rejection.